Renuka Singh such a good bowler for RCB women's team. She took 3 wickets in the RCB vs Delhi Capitals match. In this video, I am trying to showcase those wicket-taking moments. At the beginning, she came a good smile on her face. After that, she out Shafali Varma and Smriti Mandhana took her catch and helped her to get the first wicket. After that, she out Annabelle Sutherland, and in the second time, Smriti Mandhana took the catch, and Renuka gets her second wickets. After that, she out Shikha Pandey, and her catch took by Ektabish.